Good evening sa lahat, no? Una sa lahat, I would like to take this opportunity na pasalamatan si Dr. Ronel for this opportunity sa kalahat, no? Na bumubuo ng awards na to. And then, I dedicate this award to all the mayors in the Philippines, being as National Vice President ng Mayors of the Philippines. Maraming salamat po.
Congratulations to Honorable Mayor Marcos Mabay. And